All right, family, let's give a round of applause for the helpful home. All right. Yes, the helpful home. She has an open collab, and it's called Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and I joined the collab. So family, today I'm going to show what my tiny tidy mission is. But before we get started, if you're interested in being involved in this tiny tidy collab, all you have to do is share what you're working on cleaning up. It could be a garage. It could be, under your bed. I don't want to look under my bed. Please, family, if you'd like to join, I'm going to put all this information in the description. Now, with no other further ado, let's find out what my tiny tidy mission is. All right, family, let's go. All right, we're going to start our Tidy Tuesday. And some people, when you join this collab, it's an amazing collab of different people that are just doing these jobs that need to get done. We encourage one to another. I've seen people do their garage. People are cleaning out their shed. They're cleaning out their garden. Well, as you can see, family, this is my fish tank. This is my tiny tidy job today. And these guys, I love fish. I really do. And this is kind of like their garden. Look at their little plants and everything. This is their world. Well, it needs to be clean. I don't like doing it because it gets the tank really, just messy. And I know it disturbs my guys here because they, believe it or not, when you look in the ocean, they like all that algae. That's what they do. But because these are domesticated fish, I have to kind of keep it clean. So that's what we're going to do today, is get this tiny fish tank tidy. That's the whole goal. So let's get started. These are great. A lot of people don't realize, but these eraser markers are really good for tanks. Yes. So we're going to get in here. Oops. I don't want that. Watch out, sweetie. Like they can hear me. One, two, three. And water just starts, you see all that stuff on the bottom? It'll start coming up. And also this gives me an opportunity to also change the water. You don't want to change all the water at once, but you want to replace what's been taken out. And it's nice because it's picking up the stuff that fell off the bottom. You just do that. All right, family, as you can see, we are going to have a tiny tidy, right, where we just clean up things. And I'm glad that you guys are watching me clean this tank. But in the meantime, I also want to go and get some fish, because now that we're cleaning house, now we can invite some new friends in. All right, family? So I'm going to go into this fish store and see if I can find some really cool roommates for my other fish. All right, I'll be back. This is one of my favorite places to go to get fish, is the Exotic Aquarium. They got some amazing fish, but I got a simple tank. So I just want to get some peaceful fish, but I'm going to show you some cool exotic fish. Let's go. Let's see what I can find. Let's see what I can find. Okay, so if so, if I want to get a variety, I shouldn't get schoolfish then.
No, you can definitely still get schoolfish. What size is your tank?
The tank's about 27 gallons.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I mean, you could easily have 6 of those and 6 of those if you wanted to.
Okay.
They just won't swim together very much.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's do 6 and 6.
And matter of fact, if I can show you my favorite
Oh
schooling
yeah,
fish,
let me show
and
me
then we
your
can come
favorite.
right back. It's actually right.
So these are all your favorites right here?
100%.
Okay, give me a
100%.
couple. Hook me up with your favorites.
Okay.
Yeah,
you want 6 of those?
Okay, but yeah, this is a pretty color.
These ones are $4.99 though, and these ones are $2.99.
Okay, well let's get a variety.
Okay.
Yeah, and they're all peaceful.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, these are the most peaceful of any of the tetras as well.
Nice.
Also, the red dot on their nose, that'll go away under stress, or if your tank is becoming high in ammonia, or like bad things in your cycle.
Oh, okay.
So they're also a very good indicator of, okay, I look in my tank today, oh shit, there's no red noses, I need to change my water right now.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Well, yeah, look me up.
Well, which one were you interested in?
I like this.
Yeah?
Yeah, and I kind of like those red ones too. Those are pretty. But do they go together, these two?
Yeah. All tetras are fine.
Okay, cool. Let's do 6 of those.
Okay.
We got a couple of these.
Okay, how many?
What do you suggest?
I mean, these ones are $5, and the ones that are not as shiny are $3.
Well, I like these ones.
Okay, so, I mean, I'm always going to suggest 6 minimum, but you can do whatever you want.
Okay, let's get 6 of those.
Okay.
And then 6 of peaceful, right?
Sweet. Yeah. All tetras are pretty good.
Yeah, because I got a few tetras now. Whoa. I like these yellow barbs too, but I know they could be aggressive.
They're like semi-aggressive, but if you put them in a tank with like guppies and tetras, they're gonna start like biting in fins.
Exactly. I know. I've had barbs.
Yeah.
I've had chitlins, all those wild angelfish, and they be fighting too.
Yeah, I have a tank with like 100-something African cichlids at home.
Wow, and how many tanks you got?
3? 3? I have 3.
Those African ones are nice.
Mine live inside of little snail shells.
Wow.
It's really amazing.
Oh, nice.
You're gonna like the way they school around. I have like, I think 25 at home, and they do just pretty much like this.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, I appreciate your expertise.
Yeah. That's why I'm here.
Yeah, right. Yeah, I can't believe you're not sweating up in here.
If I took the hat off, you'd be like, oh.
Woo!
You'd be like, oh, he is sweating.
Yes, we get sick. And I like the way it kind of turns like a purple, huh?
What?
They kind of look kind of purplish.
They're really like straight silver and red with like black and white flagtail.
Right.
But if you had them under better light, like at your house in your home aquarium, they're gonna it'd be insanely dazzling.
Wow.
Like, these guys are super cute, and they're literally the smartest like schooling fish for small aquariums.
Oh, very cool.
So I'm gonna go bag these up, and I'll be right back to get them.
All right, thank you. Well, all right, family, look at this. We got the new fish. Hey guys, we got some new friends for you. Look at that. I got my new friends in there. Yeah. You guys ready? So now we just got the tank cleaned up, and I'm gonna take the fish out to their new home. Let's go, guys. All right, there we go. And these are all peaceful fish. They get along with all the guys I have. Make sure I got them all in the bag. Okay. All right. You guys ready to come on out to your new home? Oh, look at these guys. All right. Put this nicely. Wow, family, it's been a long day with just cleaning the tank, but they're happy. You know, they have their houses clean, they got their new friends. Hey guys. Yes, that white and black striped one, I love those fish. I don't know what they're called, but I just like the way they swim together. They kind of spool together, these four like zebras. They're so cute. And look at my snail up there. Hey guy, you're enjoying yourself up there. Look at the pretty. So this is why I like peaceful fish. They can just chillax together. You know, just hang out. They got their own spot. Oh, you're cleaning that, huh? You're cleaning that? I think you need some help cleaning this big tank, get some of this algae. I gotta get a couple more of you. Yep. All right. Well, guys, it's time for me to head out. Well, family, thank you for watching me just kind of do my tiny tidy cleanup. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Thank you for your support. And please, on the way out, hit that like, smash that notification bell, and subscribe to your sister channel. All right, peace out.